So, I'm excited about this unboxing. This is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This is the Fly More Combo Plus with the little bit longer range battery. It has been a bit since I've done a drone video, and I'm looking to do some unboxing and flying with this thing. So this video is the unboxing, seeing everything that comes out of the box in this Fly More Combo Plus. Come on in. Okay guys, welcome back to GeekSmart, and we are unboxing today, and yeah, get this plastic off. I am so looking forward to this. It's been a spell, a little over a year and a half since I've had a drone. I tend to go through spells. I get a drone and then I play with it as much as I can, and then I stop playing with it, and then I sell it because I don't feel like just sitting on something that I'm not using. And then of course I go move on, and then eventually I get another drone. So this is drone number 3 for me, actually. So let's see here. Nope, that's just the front. All right. So open this guy up and see what comes inside. We're going to start with the controller because I'm actually really looking forward to trying this out. I've always had just the standard controller with, you know, where you connect your phone to it. Never had the one that actually has the screen. I'm really looking forward to that. Just gonna stick each bag in the box. Then we got the prize mama jamma, right? The actual drone itself. Now I've never had a mini drone. I started with the Mavic Pro Platinum, then I went down to the Air 2 and tried that. I think an Air 2 or Air 2S, and loved that drone. Great. I liked actually the smaller size because it's just more portable. In this case, I really wanted to try the Mini. The Mini 3 Pro is actually one I really wanted to do, but I held on it. And then when the Mini 4 Pro came out and all the upgrades they did on the 4 Pro, yeah, no, this is going to be great. And I don't have to register it with the FAA because it's not heavy enough. So, and I also, they have the Combo Plus, and then the Fly More Combo, and then the Fly More Combo Plus. The Fly More Combo Plus gets you the longer range batteries. So I was really interested to see how this is. So it is just USB-C powered there, and it does have a USB-A out, so you can actually charge your phone while you're charging these batteries, or charge the, you know, whatever. So I'm looking forward to that. There should be a battery in here as well. Let's see what that says. Charge to activate the intelligent battery before its first use. Yep, that makes sense. So yeah, probably have to open it up to get the battery out. So let's just look at everything else comes into here. So in the upper zipper pouch here now on the bag, accessories inside, it says. So yep, there we go. There's the instruction booklet. Does come with a USB-A to USB-C cable. Does come with a USB-C to USB-C cable. Comes with 2 packets of silica gel for your enjoyment. It looks like that is it. So all the propellers comes in 3 sets, 3 2-packs of propellers. So, or 3 4-packs, I should say, 3 sets, 2A, 2B. So 3 full complete replacements. And then there is this, an actual little screwdriver that it comes with. Looks like it's a hex wrench on one side, small Phillips on the other side. All right. And it looks as though that is it. And that sounds like that should be everything. Okay. Yep, that is everything. So looking at the drone itself, it looks like that's where the snap is to hold. That's the band that's holding everything. Is it just okay, it is actually like it's kind of like an Apple Watch snap, like from the sport watches. Just goes into that little hole, and then we should be able to pull that off, and then flip, and then just straight out, and there is our little drone. Look at that, cute. Squeeze on both sides. There's a thing there. I'm gonna pull the battery out. God, that drone is super light. But I have got to get these charging before I can actually do the full setup on it. I am going to do a small video on the setup procedure as well. This was more about the unboxing of the Fly More Combo Plus. And yeah, so it comes with all those pieces. I'm gonna get these on the charger, and from there, we'll see you on the next video. I will probably post these at the same time, so the setup video and this, and the setup video will have the first flight. So stay tuned.